According to reports, actor Arjun Rampal's girlfriend's brother, Agisilaos Dimitris, has been arrested by the NCB after they found him in the possession of banned substances. The NCB, which is investigating the nexus between Bollywood celebrities and the suppliers of banned substances, has sent Agisilaos into 2-day custody. Agisilaos is an African citizen and reports claim that the NCB seized 2 different banned substances from him. The NCB, which is still investigating links between various peddlers and cartels of banned substance providers in relation to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, had also questioned high-profile stars like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakulpreet Singh after their names cropped up in old chats where banned substances were being discussed or they were named by individuals being questioned like Jaya Saha, who belonged to a talent management company. इन सारे स्टार्स के अलावा एनसीबी ने रिया चक्रवर्ती को ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना जुडिशियल कस्टडी में रखा, बट सिंस दे वर अनेबल टू प्रूव देयर एलिगेशंस अगेंस्ट हर, शी वाज रिलीज्ड ऑन बेल रिसेंटली बाय द बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट. Her brother Shouvik, however, still remains in jail. Now, in a new development, Arjun Rampal की गर्लफ्रेंड गैब्रिएला डिमिट्रीज के भाई को एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया है. According to the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, Agisilaos उन बैंड सब्सटेंस पेडलर्स के साथ कांटेक्ट में था जिनको सुशांत से जुड़े केस में इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जा रहा है. The accused has been in touch with the drug peddlers from Sushant Riya case. The accused had a direct connection to the case and therefore he has been arrested. The NCB has got his custody for 2 days, Wankhede told a publication. इस अरेस्ट के कुछ ही दिन पहले NCB ने 9 करोड़ की वैल्यू के बैन सब्सटेंसेस को सीज किया था and it was Mr. Wankhede who had led the operation. While the team of forensic experts from AIIMS has concluded that no foul play was involved in Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, there were reports that the CBI may have also reached a similar conclusion, but an official report from the agency is awaited. Enforcement Directorate, जो रिया के खिलाफ लगाए गए फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड्स के चार्जेस को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा था, सुशांत के अकाउंट से रिया के अकाउंट में कोई बड़े ट्रांसफर्स ट्रेस नहीं कर पाए हैं. However, the NCB, which now seems to have widened the scope of its investigation, is all set to dig deeper into the use of banned substances in Bollywood.